Good morning everyone, welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is Monday, June 12, 2017. Hi guys, so this is the Nifty chart and I have the daily time frame. I want to quickly show you where Nifty is probably headed. Also what I feel is going to happen in the coming few weeks, at least till mid of July. So first of all, I just want to draw something which is the very basic thing. I want to draw a trend line and so that's the trend line, and we've already got like one touch on the trend line. This is the first touch. So what I'm trying to show you guys is that there is a double wave pattern out here. I don't know how many of you guys are aware of a double wave. I think this tool is not going to help us. Okay, yeah, this tool is going to help us. So you see this one, all right, and then we again have the correction. So this is wave 1, all right, and what we are doing is right now is wave 2. So the wave 2 is this is the second wave, all right, and it's still supposed to go a little bit up. So usually the waves size are the same. So what we can expect is how many ever points did this first wave do on Nifty? That's almost exactly like 90 to 100% it will do the same length. Alright, and we are almost there. To show that, I will use what I like is the Fibonacci. Okay, so I'm going to draw the Fibonacci line. So we take the low, we take it to the high, okay, and then we get it down to the low. So you see, if it's the same length, it's supposed to come up to like 10,000. All right, give and take 10,000, and 10,000 is obviously going to be a point where even the market will be like, okay, Nifty is reached 10,000. There might be panic or there might be excitement. People will start buying more, and usually when the retailers try to get in, that's when the big guys will offload the profits onto them, and then everybody is stuck with a stock at a high price. So just be careful. My target for Nifty, I think even in my old previous video I have said that I think Nifty will reach somewhere around 10,000 for sure. And because we are already in an uptrend, and let's mark this horizontal line like, okay, 10,000. So that's it. So that's where I feel Nifty is going to go. But right now, once it reaches 10,000, then what's going to happen, right? That's like the main question, that what's going to happen after 10,000. So like, since I said this is the double wave pattern, so we are expected to see this same move from there to here. Like once we reach 10,000, then we can expect this. I think this is just snapping to the price. So let me remove this, and so once we reach, okay, I'm sorry about this. I'm going to use another tool. So we saw this, right? Now let's measure how much this was. As far as I think, it is about 50% retracement, but let's just be sure that it is. So we take it to this point, and there we have, it's 50% retracement, which comes to 7,897. Now we do the same thing. Alright, we extend this to this point, and we move this to this point. So a 50%, oh sorry, I should actually be taking it to 10,000. I don't know why is it not snapping to. Okay, yeah, so there we have it. So 50% would be 9150, and if you see, it is pretty much it is coming to a very important support area. And what is that support area? Is basically the previous high. Alright, so it is this high. Alright, it's showing you 61.8%. So you can expect that the market would be between 9,150 and 9,000 or 8,950. So this is where you will see that the market will come down, and then it will obviously meet the trend line, and then the market will pick up again. So what I'm expecting the market to do is, like, we go up, we touch 10,000, alright, and then we come down, we retrace to about this area, we will have the support of the trend line, and then what's going to happen is we might again pop back up towards 10,000, make a double top. Okay, once the double tops are formed, alright, and then you can expect a move down. So then we might come down, and once we'll come down, I don't know what the situation will be at that point, but I think Nifty should then break the trend, alright, and then we should see the market at least come down to about 8,000 if that happens, alright, and then from 8,000 I think the market will again start picking up, but that is way into the future. So let's do the immediate points right now. Alright, so the immediate points is that we are first moving from here towards 10,000. We will do that correction. Okay, at least this much is what I'm expecting. Alright, once this is done, then I will come up with another video and show you guys what is to come next. So at least we are clear on this. Now I'm just going to pause the video for a second and come back. So guys, I have a few stocks that I would like to discuss, and I feel probably these are the next blue chips, but what I'm waiting for is a correction in them, because right now these stocks are priced really high. So first one is Bajaj Financial Services. Alright, not Bajaj Finance, but Financial Services. Bajaj Fin SV is the ticker code, and this stock, I really wish I had bought it, because on 300 now it's gone to almost like 4,600 or something of that's high. But anyways, this is a great company, and I feel that once the market corrects, alright, this would be a great stock to buy. So this is right now on a weekly chart, and if I put the daily, this is where it is. So if you ask me where I would buy, I would say I would buy at 2,500, say around like this level. This is where my entry would be. Entry 1, I would even buy at probably let's say horizontal line. Okay, I would even buy it at 3,400. But I would definitely buy within this range. This entire green range is where I would be looking to buy. Alright. Another stock that I like, okay, it's going to be the banks. I really like HDFC Bank, ICICI, not ICICI, but HDFC Bank, HDFC. Let me just pull that up for you. Okay, HDFC really, it was my mistake. I should have given a recommendation to buy around 1,120, because this is definitely like one of the most strongest companies in the bank and finance sector. So again, HDFC, think of buying it. It would be difficult because this stock usually doesn't really correct a lot. But if there is if you see any drop, then these are the areas where I'm going to buy. So the first area is going to be 1,437, and the second area is going to be 1,213. The reason being why these two levels, because if the market is going to correct alright from this level, which is 1,643, if we draw the retracement alright from even from this, so I would definitely buy 50%. Alright, so if it retraces 50%, I will buy it, which is, see, that 1,437 level. And if it even retraces full 100%, then it's going to come to 1,201. and if it goes further below, I'm just going to blindly buy this stock. But right now I'm waiting for it to correct. I don't want to get into it at a high price. Probably I'll just wait for it. Same with HDFC Bank. um, uh, Again, same. If I had told you in January, it was around that same price as HDFC. So let's get this. So 1175. Now if we put in the retracement, all right, from this to this level, again 50% is where I would buy it. But actually, if you see HDFC Bank, it kind of gapped up, and the gap is in this particular region, this, okay, and this. So I would definitely look to buy HDFC in this region, which is between 50% and 61.8%. And if you see the key, this is the last high. I'm sorry, this was the last area of resistance where HDFC broke, and it broke with a gap up. So I would definitely be buying HDFC at 1313, or even if it retraces full 100%, when the market is falling. So I really like the banks for some reason. It's a very good buy. So focus on the banks. As far as for Reliance, I was not expecting the market for Reliance to really crack up, but since it has, I would really be careful to see how I would trade this, because usually Reliance, like now I'm on the weekly, if you see, it was stuck in a long range for a good amount of time. Like it was between the 6. Now if you see it on the weekly, it looks like this, but if I have to put it like this, so it was stuck in this zone for long. It was just doing this, and this is weekly, so you can totally imagine that people must have been stuck for a long time. And then it broke, and then when it broke, it was in this range, and then it again came back in this range. So but now that it's broken, alright, I'm going to wait for Reliance to actually come back to its high, which is 1641. So maybe from this level, 1320. Let's get on the daily chart. I can't. Alright, maybe we will reach there, 1641. Maybe from here we will go there when Nifty is going to go to 10,000. Might just happen, not sure, but just keep an eye on this one. If it falls, then I will buy Reliance. But right now, just stick to the ones that I gave you. That is Bajaj Financial Services, HDFC Bank. You can also look at other banks like Yes Bank. That stock is also like really taken off. Same like HDFC, from January it has just been going up. So I'm going to focus on these stocks right now. Well, that's it from me, guys. I know this video has come out a little late, but the key thing is I've marked out the important levels for you all to trade. And if you all have any questions, just do let me know. Have a great trading day. See you all. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.